Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, LED headlights, wheel covers, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel drive. Come take a test drive today.